Good morning. So today we will see chapter 6 of your GK book. So let's start. Let's read about some of the most terrifying sea creature. Name them with the help of a clue box. Here is a clue box given. So let's read. Number 1, found in a deep water of Australia and New Zealand. Its live at depth of over 1200 meter. Its body is little more than a gelatinous mass, and the animal name is ballfish. Here it is written. The second one is it is permanently constrained to creeping along the bottom of the ocean, primarily the cold dark water of the North Atlantic and the Arctic Circle, and the animal name is sorry, today I'm not feeling well. Giant isopod. Here it is written. The third one is with both their eyes and mouth located on the top of their head. This fish bury themselves in the sand and leap upwards to attack their prey. That means prey means enemy. Okay, prey at it swims by, and that is stargazer. The fourth one is this creature, also known as ghost shark, and although it used to reside throughout the world's ocean, today it is mostly confined to deep water, and that is Simira. The fifth one is this these tiny creatures are usually no longer than an inch deep down on the floor of Pacific Ocean, about 6 kilometers beneath the wave. They can grow up to 1 foot in length, and that animal is amphiphod. The sixth one is it lives at great depth and capable of producing its own light and uses this ability to hunt its prey. And this one is Snaggletooth. The seventh one is the capacity of this sea creature is to engulf and digest its prey over 10 times its own mass, and that is black swallower. The last one is this is one of the strangest looking creature uh, lurking in the deep sea. It has an enormous mouth which is capable of swallowing things much larger than itself. मतलब ये जितने बड़ा है इससे ये अपने से बड़ा चीज़ को भी ये खा सकता है, सैलो कर सकता है, ठीक है. एंड दैट इज गोल्फो एल. नाउ here chapter 7 creepy crawlies. ठीक है. Insects are everywhere. Given below are some of the widest insect found in in the wild. Can you identify them? I think so. Here is the clue. Let's see. It is one of the largest insect on earth, native to Africa. Males of these spice species can grow to over 4 inch and can weigh as much as 100 gram in their larval stage, and that is Goliath beetle. They are part of the tree hopper family and have a cool looking brightly colored thorn sticking out of their head, and that is thornburg. The third one is these insects are often framed for their for their silk and also known as cobra mouth. They have a wingspan almost as long as a ruler, with wing tips that look like snake, and that is altus moth. Here it is written. The fourth one is, uh, it is a strange looking insect that is found in garden and along woodland edge. It is can be on dead insects. It has a long beak like projection from its head that it uses to feed. ये एक ये अपने हेड के थ्रू अपने मतलब खाने को खा पाता है, एंड दैट इज द फोर्थ वन इज स्कॉर्पियन फ्लाई. द फिफ्थ वन इज, it look like a big cricket but too heavy to fly. The largest ever of its kind was weighed about 70 gram, about as heavy as a tennis ball, and that is giant beta. The sixth one is, when they sense danger, they woody these woody looking insects uh, give off a scent that smell like peanut butter to human, and that is Australian walking stick. Here it is written. Now here something is written. The titan beetle is one of the largest beetle species. They have the super strong jaws, मतलब उनके जो वो होते हैं, दांत होते हैं, दांत में मतलब मसूड़े जो होते हैं, ठीक है, that can easily slice a piece of pencil, स्लाइस अ पेंसिल इन हाफ. मतलब उनके वो इतने स्ट्रांग होते हैं कि वो लोग एक पेंसिल को अपने जॉ से ही हाफ कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स सी चैप्टर 8, एनिमल डिजीजेस. Find out how well you know about some common animal disease. Okay, the first one is, dash is caused by orthopox virus. इसमें simiai, a virus of genus. It causes disease in monkeys, but it revises host probably are squirrel and other rodents. It can be transmitted to human. मतलब ये बीमारी humans में भी transmitted हो सकती है, and that is monkey pox. The second one is, dash is highly contagious viral disease affecting the respiratory, digestive or nervous system of many species of birds. It is a disease of bird, although people and other mammals can be infected, and that is bird flu. आपने बहुत बार ये सुना होगा, you can heard many times that बर्ड फ्लू बहुत फैल रहा है, चिकन नहीं खाओ, तो नॉन वेज नहीं खाओ, ठीक है. तो ये जो होता है ये एनिमल्स से ह्यूमन बींग्स में भी आ सकता है. द थर्ड वन इज, dash is a usually fatal viral disease of the nervous system. This disease is commonly transmitted by the bite of an insected animal, although other routes include contamination of open wound and stretches uh, scratches with infected saliva, and that is rabies. rabies आपने सुना होगा, कुत्ते के काटने से भी होता है, ठीक है. The fourth one is, dash is a fatal brain disease of sheep and goat, but is not known to pose a risk to human health. ये human health पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं करता है. The agent causing the infection is thought to be an infectious protein called a prison, and that disease name, uh, scrappy. The fifth one is, dash is a contagious respiratory disease of pig that occurs worldwide and is caused by infection with influenza A viruses, and that is swine influenza. The sixth and last one is DAS is a internal parasite is an internal parasite that infects the liver and cause disease in grazing animals such as cattle, llamas, and other exotic farms species, and that is liver flu. So this is enough for today. We will see sorry, we will see next chapter in your next video. Till then, thank you.